Last week on a Friday, you kissed me sitting in your drive.